Portable Abrasive Blasters. We manufacture an impeccable range of portable abrasive blasters. Our range is available in standard and customized specifications. Portable abrasive blaster as a finishing product has been successfully utilized on metal, glass, plastic, and stone. Its functions include deburring, descaling, deflashing, and blast cleaning. National Enterprises Portable Abrasive Blasters are used by industries worldwide for multiple reasons, such as to remove surface coatings such as paint and contaminants, prepare surfaces for paint and coatings, strengthen metal surfaces for adhesion, clean rust, and many more. We offer economic models, medium models, commercial models, high-capacity models, and low-pressure models for media like glass beads. Glass media like aluminum oxide, steel shots, steel grit, cut wire shots, copper slag, and glass beads can all run in our machines. Our portable abrasive blasters are fabricated by following the set industrial guidelines. We maintain a ready inventory of related spares, accessories, consumables, and blast media. Contact us now to place your order. Link in bio.